Hey, to my real estate professionals out there, would you like to get more clients and build a strong referral network? Do you see yourself as knowledgeable, helpful, and serving the needs of your community? Do you want everyone in your community to know that you're that kind of professional? You can volunteer to participate in a local group of future homeowners and be willing to talk to them about the difficulties they face. If you help someone through their difficult time, you will get and deserve the reputation of being able to help and serve the needs of your community with your professional capacity. You will have a grateful client and you'll begin building referral sources that will sing your praise for the rest of your career. Wise Credit Management is a free video based class focused on qualifying for a mortgage. We teach facts directly from the credit bureaus and the company that makes the FICO mortgage scores. It's meant to be led by local professionals, such as yourself, in churches or community centers, and it has a professional member directory so students who take the class can easily find you. You can sign up as a professional member today. Organize your local group with other professionals in different fields and begin serving your community through your profession, meeting potential home buyers, and building a grateful referral network.